Hello YouTube. I would like to show you how to fix this bug with XFCE 4's panel. So we are using XFCE 4.16 and I want my panel to span across both monitors, the primary and secondary, right? So if we open up the panel preferences by right clicking on panel and opening that as such, output automatic span markers is ticked. Now, if we change this to anything other than automatic, it doesn't matter what you select, as long as you select something other than automatic, it's not going to let you do span monitors, okay? And when you put it back to automatic, it will allow you to select span monitors again, but it doesn't work, okay? So, how do you fix this? This takes all of 30 seconds. So I'm going to simply go up into my menu. I'm going to type in XFCONF. It's going to open up a type of settings editor. Okay. Also, if you would prefer a terminal command, you could type in XFCE4-settings-editor, and that will bring up the same menu. Okay, once you're in the settings editor, you find XFCE4-panel. Now, if you only have one panel, it's going to be numbered as panel-0. So underneath panel-0, you find output name, and you're going to see that it has some value in there, and that's the problem, is that it needs to be blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Edit. We're going to select output name, okay, and we're going to click on edit, and we're going to remove the value, okay. Just select all and backspace and save. And as soon as I click save, I got the panel spanning across both screens again, and it'll stay fixed like that. It'll stay fixed. You won't have any issues with it, and problem solved. So thank you for watching. I hope that helps. Have a good day.